Hello everyone, Kieran Crabtree here, and welcome to the Dinosaur Discovery, the channel about everything dinosaur. On the last review, we took a look at the Jurassic World Dino Rivals Attack Pack Velociraptor Charlie figure. Link is in the description to that review. For today's review, we're going to be continuing our look at the Jurassic World Dino Rivals Raptor Squad by taking a look at Delta the Velociraptor. Now, this is actually one of my least favorite figures for the Dino Rivals Raptor Squad, and that being because the color scheme is incredibly inaccurate for Delta the Velociraptor. The color scheme doesn't match Delta's colors at all. Delta the Velociraptor was more of a greenish-grayish color, not this mustard yellow, so I don't know how Mattel messed this up, but anyways, they did. But, I mean, this figure is quite special to me because it was my third ever Mattel figure to purchase. And I actually did do a review on it close to a year ago, but that one was done on a much lower quality camera, so I feel like I need to re-review it. So let's go ahead and get into that right now. So taking a closer look at the packaging, as you can see, it's fallen apart. We got the Jurassic World logo, then we have the T-Rex skull in the background, then we have the T-Rex, the Triceratops, and Owen Grady, the Dino Rivals logo, 3+, Velociraptor Delta, one collector card, you can see the collector card right there. We take a look at the very back of the box, we have some of the other Attack Pack figures that you can collect. I actually own all these figures, they are actually quite nice. We have the Protoceratops, the Dracorex, the Rampharinkus, and Velociraptor Delta. We have some information about the Jurassic World Facts app, and here's the Mattel logo. And that is pretty much it with the box, so let's go ahead and get this figure out. Here's our figure, and now for the collector card. Okay, we'll go ahead and get rid of this. Alright, we'll stand up our Velociraptor Delta figure. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the collector card that it came with. Now it actually looks quite nice. We got a very cool image of Delta the Velociraptor. Then we have some stats about the dinosaur. Strength is 7, speed is 9, intelligence is 10, and aggression is 9. All the stats put together is 35, so this is actually quite a powerful Velociraptor. Take a look at the very back, we have the Dino Rivals logo and the Jurassic World logo, and that is pretty much it with the card. Now taking a look at the figure itself, it is actually pretty good. I mean, it is a repaint for the Attack Pack Blue figure, which came out in 2018, but I mean, it still does look pretty nice. As you can see, the sculpt on it is just incredible. It looks very reminiscent to the Velociraptors and the films. Now, the feet are oversized, but that's to help this figure stand. Now, taking a look at the paint job could have been much better. There really isn't that much on it. We have this purplish-grayish color, or should I say pattern, for its back, and it's covering Delta the Velociraptor's face. And there is, of course, paint on the very inside of the mouth. There is pink for the tongue, and this yellowish-whitish color for the teeth. Now there is no paint on the claws, which I really think Mattel needs to do that. That would have made this figure look a lot better. And there is even paint on the tail, which that's actually quite uncommon for Mattel Jurassic World figures. For some reason, they always don't add paint on the tail. But I am very glad that they did this for the Delta the Velociraptor figure. Now, I do wish that the pattern continued to go down the whole entire tail, and also wish that maybe there was some paint for the belly and for the neck, but I mean, it is what it is. Now, here's the Jurassic World Facts app scan code, if you want to pause this video and scan it, if I can let the camera focus. There we go. And here's the Jurassic World official mark. Now, for articulation, there is, it's actually very basic articulation, but you can move the legs, both of them. You can move the arms, and you can, of course, move the jaw. The tail can't rotate or anything. That's just pretty much it. It's very basic articulation. So overall, this Delta the Velociraptor figure could have been much better. But I mean, I still like it. It was my third ever figure, as I mentioned earlier, so it is a little bit special to me. Now, it is definitely my least favorite Raptor figure that they've released for the Jurassic World toy line. I think that they could have made this figure look really good. I believe that they should have painted the claws, obviously, and given it much more paint, and this figure would have looked amazing. And, of course, actually make it look like Delta the Velociraptor. So for that, I'm going to have to give this figure a 5 out of 10 stars. Well, alright, this has been the Dinosaur Discovery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any future videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.